Let me share a few tips that really help with the caring of your leather furniture. This is Alessio Gentilin from Gruppo Mastrotto. In this QA we will talk about leather without the complicated term. Let's start. How do you care for your leather furniture product? Getting a leather sofa is a long-term investment, just like a skincare routine. It stays glowy when you care for it in the right way. First, just give your leather a bit of breathing space. If your sofa is near a window, that's totally fine. What I usually do is just draw the curtain or blind when the sun is really harsh, as heat can dry leather out over time. This helps prevent uneven fading and keeps the color rich and beautiful. If you have a pet, don't worry. You can easily enjoy the leather sofa. The easy trick is to place a pet blanket at their favorite spot. It saves a lot of stress and your pet still get their comfy corner. When it comes to cleaning, skip the harsh chemical. A gentle leather cleaner without solvent base or a light damp soft cloth is all what you need. Vacuum with a soft brush attachment periodically to easily remove the dust. One last thing that makes a difference, use a leather protection cream about twice a year. Especially in the area where you sit the most, it helps with the stain resistance and keep the leather buttery smooth. Leather furniture is not high maintenance, it's just appreciate a little care, just as we take care of the things we love. When you choose leather made with care and furniture built with passion, you are choosing comfort that lasts a lifetime.